Kurumirira birigiceni iria yambiririe kiumia kihituku ya gucokereria thayu kaunti-ini ya Laikipia, maabitha ugitiri ni mahithukitie mucinga umwe muthemba wa AK47 hamwe na rithathi igiri itura-ini ria Doldol gicigo-ini kia Laikipia ya rugongo. Agikira ndeto ino mukonde County Commissioner wa Laikipia Joseph Kanyiri ni ugite mucinga uyu wahota gukorwo umwe wa iria irahuthika gutabania ciiko cia ekinai mwena uyu na gucungiriria uhaguku wa ugitiri.
This was surrendered through the efforts of the security team there and elders in Laikipia North.
Kanyiri ni ugite kwina micinga ingi iria marekuira gukorwo iri moko-ini ma muingi mugaru na watho riu agikiarita na kuri aria othe magikorwo mari na micinga mugaru na watho kumicokia mbere ya ihinda riria mahetwo kuinikirira.
But for those that we already know have firearms, we will soon be going for those firearms and we shall recover them. And thereafter, there shall be a court action for their being in possession of firearms without valid and without any shade of license from the government agencies authorized to do so.
Mihango ya birigiceni ino ni tambetio nginyanagia mutito-ini wa mukogodo kuria maabitha matanyite kuhithukia micinga ingi mingi iria irekuirwo gukorwo moko-ini ma ekinai aria mehithite mutito-ini uyu.
Laikipia North, which covers Doldol, Mucinga, Kimanju, Ilporei and other areas. And this is the same area where we have an operation ongoing at within Mukogodo Forest, which is a gazetted operation area. We want to sanitize, we want to pacify Mukogodo Forest, which for quite some time has been a hideout for cattle rustlers and bandits. Every animal that has been stolen in Laikipia North, Laikipia East, some parts of Laikipia Central have ended up there.
Kaunti iria igumirwo ni uhaguku wa ugitiri kurumirira kwagagio ni ekinai ya mahiu ni kaunti-ini cia West Pokot, Elgeyo Marakwet, Laikipia, Baringo hamwe na Samburu. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.